All right, we started the Elite Chopper Company base last time. We didn't quite finish. What do we got in here? We got controllers. We got 3 controllers. We got the Nicktoon that we didn't even use. Dark Storm. A couple of Lancers. A couple of Overseers. 5 Devouts. 3 controllers. And Nick. We don't even need him. We just use controllers. So basically all we have to do is go in and finish this base. So we cleaned out most everything. We'll have to get these guys, but that's nothing. Now the only thing we really have left, we got to get these guys. They won't give us much damage. Yeah, okay. Well, what we'll do is we'll bring in the chopper and clean these guys out, and then we'll attack the chopper. And when when our chopper attacks this chopper, we'll bring in controllers. And we're done. So it's not too hard. All right. Let's bring these guys in. And at this point, the only thing we want to do is clear out everything that needs to die so that once we do kill the chopper, we win the base. I'm assuming that you get chopper parts when you do this for the Elite. I'm just going to get thorium, but you'll probably get chopper parts. So we'll clean out these guys so that they don't give us any problems. Get a little bit closer. Just clean out this stuff here. Come on. Attack. Take him out. All right, before we do anything else, we're going to bring in our controllers. Oh, we can't. Oh, okay. Doesn't like that. Okay, we'll bring in the other control. Oh, that's right, because we got the chopper in there. Because the chopper's in here, we can't bring in all of the controllers. But we don't need these guys yet, but we will. All right, so they're just sitting over there. Now we're going to take our chopper company. To clean this out, we're just going to engage the chopper. Once we engage the chopper, the only thing we want it to do is engage the chopper. Once they engage, then we'll kill it with our controllers. Come on, engage. There you go. There you go. All right. He's probably going to come after us. So see if we can get those choppers to engage each other. Now that they're engaged, now that they're all engaged, we'll kill them with our controllers. That's it. Okay, there's something that we didn't kill. What didn't we kill? Let's find out what we didn't kill. Oh, okay, right here. That's it. So you could get a part. I'm just going to get thorium, but good luck doing it. We didn't get a whole lot of damage. Let's see what we got here. Hurry up and wait. All right, what did we get for damage? 18 minutes damage. That's it. Okay.